Known best for their work on hits by artists like Lil Nas X and Kid Cudi, David Biral and Denzel Baptiste, aka Take a Daytrip, are one of the most sought-after production teams in music. Growling bass sounds, epic synths, and banging drums. You'll find all of that and more in their GarageBand producer pack. Let's dive in. The Take a Daytrip producer pack includes over 200 Apple loops, 6 drum kits, 24 keyboard patches, and 1 live loops grid. As always, first stop is the included live loops grid. This is a delicious, laid-back mix of snappy hip-hop kits and dream pop flavoured synths. The 6 drum kits on offer here range from straight up snappy hip hop jives to crushed, almost glitchy beats. If you prefer to tap out your beats by hand or finger, I guess, then I recommend starting with the Washington or Burlington kits, as these are, in my opinion, some of the most usable and diverse drum sounds in any of these producer packs. Onto the loops then, and these range from deep and dirty 808 bass sounds to fantastically subtle melodies and a selection of crunchy classic breaks and drum patterns. There are some really deep and almost melancholy sounds here that really jumped out at me. There's a real mixed bag of loops here, and I think most people will find something that they like. The 24 keyboard patches on offer in this pack are really varied and, on the whole, brilliant. There are a large selection of bass sounds to get to grips with, and several top-tier synth leads. This is a really great pack that doesn't really fit into a specific genre or description really, and I think it's all the better for it. Like I said before, there's something here for pretty much everyone. The drums in particular stand out as a high point for me, and a lot of the keyboard sounds here are fantastic and really usable as well. Alright, that's the Take a Daytrip producer pack then. Let me know what you think about the sounds available in this pack down in the comments. And click right here to check out all the other producer packs that were recently added to GarageBand on iOS and which are now available on Mac as well. And I'll see you next time. Bye for now.